Hello, everyone. Today is August 4th, 2021. It's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where I am, and I'm coming to you with another update video for Tronmoon. Now, this is the relaunched Tronmoon. So if you're not been around for a while, the new URL is rocket.tronmoon.space. Just to give you a little bit of a recap about what Tronmoon is trying to do this time around. They're offering 3% daily return, 300% total ROI, 15% referral bonuses on 5 levels. And if you tuned into the last video, I explained the power of referrals and how you can recoup your investment quicker if you include referrals in your process. On this smart contract, they have a 35% automatic redeposit and a dynamic dumping protection system. I don't know what that means, actually, so I've been trying to find out. They still have a 200 TRX minimum deposit, and they're promising to come out with a compound smart contract soon. Okay, so we'll be waiting for that. Let's check on the progress to date for this new smart contract. They have 3.3 million TRX invested currently. They've only had withdrawals of 726,000 or so TRX, and they have 845 users. So that's pretty good. I'll show you where my progress is going right now. So right now, I did an initial investment of 200 TRX. I had a referral bonuses of like 9,000 TRX. And when I did a withdrawal, it automatically redeposited 35%. And then the other day, I made another smaller withdrawal and it automatically redeposited 225. So today, we're going to withdraw 727.35 TRX. And this actually includes 400.36 TRX, and this is from referrals. So we'll go down there and see how that is working out. So 4 on the first level, and then 2 people followed them, and then another one and another one. So that's cool. So let's go ahead and do a redeposit. And what I like to do is, because this is pretty much a windfall for the withdrawals. So if people are able to interact with me when we do the premiere of this video, I will give the first person that I can verify that they belong to the YouTube channel and also the Facebook page, they'll get 200 TRX. And what I do is you need to agree that I can use whatever your public name is on Facebook. It'll just generally be the first name, and then I'll do a screenshot and post it on the page that we've sent TRX to your wallet. Okay, so this is exciting. Let's go ahead and withdraw. And please make sure that during the premiere you interact with us, like say hi, let me know that you're actually part of the Facebook group. And then I'll tell everyone who the winner is. During the premiere, I'll say, whatever your name is, send me your wallet on Facebook and the smart contract page. Okay. Okay, let's let this refresh. And so now we have a redeposit automatically of 254.6174 TRX. So this is Pretty cool. That's it for today. We have to wait 24 hours. We're probably not going to withdraw tomorrow with this contract because so little is being reinvested. I'm going to check back on this contract in probably 4 or 5 days. And then at that time, I will give someone 500 TRX. So that's a big thank you for being a member of the channel and supporting the video just by liking and sharing. Okay, see you tomorrow.